Okay, let's talk about creating an assignment in Blackboard. I like to create and grade all of my assignments within Blackboard during online only instruction because it gives me one central place to collect, grade, evaluate, and give all that information back to the students. So to create an assignment, that's under the assessments tool, and you click assignment. Once you click the assignment, you can choose what you want to name it. So we'll name it FCS example assignment, and you'll put your instructions here in the text box. So I'm actually going to paste them from an assignment that I already made as an example. So for the instructions, I linked some assignment questions here on Google. To make this a link, all you do is highlight the text, select the link button, and then you could link a Google document or a Google worksheet or another website that you wanted as part of this assignment. So for this assignment, I've told the students to make a copy of the questions, then fill in their answers. Once they have that, they're going to copy and paste their questions and answers back into the right submission box. They're not going to give me a sharing link, and they need to give the actual questions and answers. This is really important for you for grading, and I also have a student-facing video that explains this to students. The second part of this example assignment is to attach your profile picture using the Attach Files tool. This is the same assignment I used in my student-facing video so that students know how to insert their questions and answers into the text box, as well as attach a profile picture. However, in the text box, you can use other tools like videos and pictures, and on the attached files, it doesn't have to be a picture, it could be a document or any other type of file that you want them to attach. So we're creating the assignment still. I have the name of the assignment, I have my directions, and I'm not attaching any files for this. I will say selecting a due date is very important. If you don't put a due date, then it will not automatically populate on your calendar. If you have a due date, then it goes right on the calendar and the students can see that that assignment is upcoming. You'll also need to assign some points. And if you'd like, you could attach a rubric. Now here where it says submission details, grading options, display of grades, I do like to give, at least in FCS, students multiple attempts. So you could pick multiple or unlimited, but I'd like to give them multiple attempts just so that when the students see their preview, if they realize they attached the wrong file or the wrong document, or it doesn't look like how they thought it should, they could redo that without being locked out of this assignment. And you can decide, well, if they're handing it in multiple times, how are you going to grade them? I usually go with the highest grade, but that's up to you. All right, so I'm making this assignment available, and then I'm going to go ahead and submit it. So on the student-facing side, they'll see this FCS assignment, and they need to click on it to complete it. So when students complete it, all they do is click on this assignment. And this is kind of a quick overview of my student-facing tutorial. They click on the assignment and it looks like this. It has the due date, the points, the directions, and a place to put their submission. So this assignment is telling them, answer some questions in Google, then put them into the submission box. So what the students do is they open this document and they see the questions. They answer them. Okay, so let's answer these real quick. And then it's really important that they not share this with you. Sharing it with you is not helpful when you're trying to grade things in Blackboard. So that's why the directions tell the students to copy this and paste it back into the right submission box. So they click here where it says write submission and they paste the words. Okay, this way you can see the questions and the answers just like a worksheet. okay? And then to the last part, attach a profile picture. The students simply browse their computer, find that picture that they want, and attach it. Once the students submit their assignment, you'll see it shows them a preview, and that's in my other video that I'll share with you, but it'll show them how it looks. And for you, it will pop up in your needs grading area, but since we're not a student, it's not showing here. So I hope that was helpful in giving you some instruction on how to post an assignment and some things to consider when writing the directions for that assignment.